Welcome to Product Guide Hub. The best Huda Cherry Blossom Powder is probably one of the most anticipated launches in the beauty community this year, promising a delicate yet effective way to set your makeup while imparting a subtle, ethereal glow that mimics the soft beauty of cherry blossoms in full bloom, making it a must-have for anyone looking to achieve a flawless, radiant complexion that lasts all day long. Number 5. Imparting Compact Tone Up Pact. Get ready for a flawless finish. This compact powder provides a beautiful pink blur effect, perfect for any occasion. Experience the magic of Korean beauty with this pressed setting powder. It helps to set your makeup for long-lasting wear. Formulated with calamine, this powder is gentle on your skin. It helps to soothe and perfect your complexion. Say goodbye to shine. This makeup powder offers excellent oil control, keeping your face looking matte all day long. Looking for the perfect gift? This translucent compact is an ideal choice for teen girls who love makeup. Use it as a finishing powder to complete your look. It leaves your skin looking smooth and refined. What we like? Achieve a soft pink tone-up with this Korean pressed powder. It's infused with calamine for added skin benefits and offers excellent oil control. If you're looking for a subtle pink tint and a smooth, matte finish throughout the day, this is a great choice for a natural look. What people say. The Huda Cherry Blossom Powder has a beautiful, finely milled texture that blends seamlessly into the skin. It provides a soft focus effect, blurring imperfections and leaving a smooth, matte finish without looking cakey. The subtle cherry blossom scent is pleasant and not overpowering, adding a nice sensory experience to application. Number 4. Ben Nye Pink Face Powder. Introducing the iconic pink face powder from Ben Nye. Achieve a flawless, soft matte finish with this essential makeup product. Its finely milled formula helps to set your makeup and control shine throughout the day. Experience a smooth, even complexion effortlessly. This powder provides a beautiful soft matte look, perfect for all skin types. It helps to minimize the appearance of pores and imperfections. Trusted by professionals, it's a staple in many makeup kits. Get that perfect canvas for any makeup look you desire. Whether for stage, screen, or everyday wear, it delivers exceptional results. Elevate your makeup routine with this high-quality powder. What we like? This professional-grade pink face powder is known for its ability to set makeup flawlessly. It provides a translucent pink hue that brightens without looking cakey. If you need a reliable powder for stage, performance, or simply a long-wearing, refined finish, this option delivers. What people say. This powder is amazing, it sets my makeup so well and doesn't leave a cakey finish. I love the scent of cherry blossom, it's very subtle and pleasant. It gives a nice blurring effect and helps control oil throughout the day. Number 3. Huda Beauty Easy Bake Loose Powder, Cherry Blossom. Discover the secret to a flawless finish with our Easy Bake Loose Powder. This luxurious powder is designed to set your makeup and provide a smooth, radiant look. Experience the delicate beauty of our cherry blossom shade. It's a sheer soft pink that brightens and enhances your natural complexion. Achieve a professional bake with ease. It effortlessly sets your foundation and concealer, preventing creasing and ensuring long-lasting wear. Enjoy a lightweight feel that doesn't cake or feel heavy. You can build it up for more coverage or use a light dusting for a subtle glow. Get ready to illuminate your features. This powder leaves your skin looking smooth, bright, and perfectly set all day long. This is the full-size version, offering you plenty of product to perfect your look. Enjoy the generous amount for all your makeup needs. What we like? Experience the delicate cherry blossom scent with this loose powder. It offers a sheer, soft pink shade perfect for brightening and setting your base. If you love a subtle pop of color and a smooth, airbrushed finish, especially for baking techniques, this is a must-try. What people say. It bakes and set very well. Gives the makeup a good look and very long-lasting. This is the best bake I've ever used on dark skin. This makes all my foundation blend very well. It keeps the oil down. I have very oily skin. Great powder, great coverage. Number 2. Huda Beauty Easy Bake Loose Baking and Setting Powder Cherry Blossom. Discover the secret to a flawless finish with our revolutionary loose baking and setting powder. Achieve a smooth, radiant complexion that lasts all day. Experience the delicate and enchanting scent of our limited edition cherry blossom formula. It's designed to brighten and perfect your skin tone. Achieve a professional makeup look with ease. This powder effortlessly bakes and sets your makeup, ensuring it stays in place without creasing. Enjoy a lightweight feel that doesn't cake or feel heavy on your skin. You can build coverage to your desired level for a customized finish. Lock in your look for hours. Its finely milled texture blurs imperfections and controls shine, leaving your skin looking smooth and perfected. Elevate your makeup routine with this must-have setting powder. Get ready to embrace a beautiful, long-lasting, and radiant finish. What we like. This loose powder provides a beautiful brightening pink tone for a natural, radiant look. Its lightweight formula ensures comfortable wear without feeling heavy. If you desire a subtle enhancement and a fresh, luminous complexion, this is ideal for everyday wear. What people say. This is amazing if you have cool undertones to your skin. It looks so natural with light application, and I tried it for full glam and baking with left me with almost no need to retouch for hours. Fantastic for setting under eye makeup, blends beautifully into the skin. Works fantastic as a transition shade for my blushes. Number 1. Huda Beauty Easy Bake Loose Powder, Cupcake. Discover the secret to a flawless finish with our revolutionary loose powder. It's designed to bake and set your makeup for a smooth, long-lasting look. Achieve a professional, airbrushed effect with minimal effort. This powder helps to brighten and lift your features, creating a beautiful canvas. Experience the delightful Cupcake shade, a universally flattering tone that adds a touch of warmth. It blends seamlessly into any skin tone. Enjoy a lightweight formula that feels comfortable on your skin all day long. It won't crease or settle into fine lines, ensuring a fresh appearance. Lock in your makeup for hours with this incredible setting powder. It controls shine and ensures your look stays put, no matter the occasion. Elevate your makeup routine with this must-have product. Achieve a perfect, bake-ready finish every single time. What we like. Enjoy the sweet scent of Cupcake with this soft pink loose powder. It's designed to set your makeup flawlessly, leaving a smooth and even complexion. If you're seeking a delightful fragrance and a perfect finish for your foundation, this is a wonderful option. What people say. The Huda Cherry Blossom Powder is a finely milled loose powder that sets makeup beautifully without looking cakey. It provides a soft focus effect, blurring imperfections and leaving the skin with a smooth, matte finish. The subtle cherry blossom scent is pleasant and not overpowering. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.